What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Straight Out the Fridge. It's your girl Camille, and I'm with my girl Erika today. She's down here visiting me in Louisiana. First friend visiting me, so shout out to her.
Shout out to me.
Yeah. And so we're about to do some errands-ish. You want to tell them where we're going?
We are going to Bath and Body Works and
Candle Day.
Candle Day. They got a sale.
$9.50. And we got a coupon.
She gonna share it with me.
Hopefully they let us.
And then we're going to Farmer's Market.
And I forgot a bag, but it's okay because I don't have to go back in.
And I can get a free one, right?
That's Trader Joe's.
Oh.
Yeah. So you go to Trader Joe's and you tell them it's your first time.
Oh yeah, this is my
so
first
if y'all
time.
didn't know that, if you go to Trader Joe's and it's your first time there, or even if it's not, just tell them it's your first time and they'll give you a bag. So
yes.
We'll see y'all when we get there. Peace. Y'all, okay, so we were just thinking that the store was about to be packed. Look at this.
It's a line.
It's a whole line. I wonder how long we gonna sit here. Okay, what time is it? Let's see how long we gonna have to sit in the line. 10:21, and we're about to get in line now. So let's see how long it takes. Oh look. Well, let's see how long we sit. We'll get back with y'all when we finally get into the store.
We'll show you the bags we got.
Yeah. We didn't go to the gym, but we did get a workout.
Yes. These days are heavy. No, they didn't let me do a discount, but whatever.
Bath and Body Works, get it together. So we went to Bath and Body Works earlier and we already got our stuff. But we're about to make some apple cider.
Apple cider?
No vinegar. I've been saying vinegar the whole time. So, some hot apple cider vinegar. And Erika has the cocktail if you didn't see it in the last vlog. Vlogmas Day 7. It's a 1-minute video. Go check it out real quick. How is it?
It's good. It was so good last night that I asked her to make me another one today. Got nice little cranberries, rosemary. So good.
So yeah, we're about to make the apple cider and we'll let y'all watch. Oh look, Erika got me this for my video. Fresh and hot apple cider. Served daily, not really, but tonight it will be served. Then we have our ingredients: cinnamon, cloves, cranberries, orange, and an apple.
We just made homemade apple cider. Yes! We did this.
Y'all smell that real quick.
Cheers, toast.
What are we cheersing to? We gotta speak on it. We gotta manifest this stuff. Hold on, let me get a better angle.
I guess we're cheering to happiness, everlasting friendship.
For real. We've been friends since middle school.
Yes. Cheers.
And just, what do you want in the next year?
I want to continue the path that I'm going down. Happiness, spreading love, cheering to everything. Like that. What about you? Edit that out.
Success, happiness, growth, in all areas. So, cheers.
Cheers.
To the new year, too. It's so good, y'all.
It's better than store-bought. It's like so fresh.
You gonna make it?
Sweet.
What do you
Yeah,
want?
I'm gonna make this. It's easy.
That's it. If y'all like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up.
I slay. I slay. I slay.
If you haven't yet, what should they do, Erica? Click that red button wherever it is.
Yes, please subscribe, like, keep following.
Comment down below if you like apple cider vinegar. If you don't, try this fresh. You will love it. Or comment down below what you are looking forward to in the new year.
Right.
All right, y'all. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.
Christmas.
Yes, Merry Christmas. See y'all in the next Vlogmas.